Phoenix Contact supplies a wide range of products for a modern and efficient building installation. There are some special features in the installation distribution with control cabinet in the REG format. What products does Phoenix Contact offer here and how do they work together? The world is becoming ever more complex, intelligent and networked, and buildings are becoming increasingly integrated. Digitalization provides information on the situation in the building and, in addition to intelligent control, also enables active remote access from anywhere in the world. In the all-electric society, electrical engineering for buildings is an essential part with multiple links to the energy network, to the heating and cooling supply of the house, to charging stations for e-mobility and to other areas. Digitalization is therefore a necessity because it enables holistic optimization of energy efficiency and maintenance, and at the same time offers a huge gain in comfort from the user's point of view. The functional area Secure Communication provides solutions to the question, how can I ensure reliable and secure remote communication with my smart building? Data is collected from a wide variety of sources. Data for lightning protection as well as energy measurement can be used from the functional area supply, protect and monitor. All sensors from simple floating contacts to communication interfaces can be meaningfully connected to building communication. The use can also be manifold, via control panels in the building, on mobile devices as active information or by retrieval, via cloud services and between devices and applications. The communication technology for buildings is often placed in the main distribution, although it is not designed for the common REG format. Therefore, media fields that are not bound to this format are also often found in the REG control cabinet. For this reason, we have also shown the separated media field here. Regardless of whether the communication devices are mounted behind the cover or in the media field, they are supplied and protected from the functional area power reliability. The typical janitor emergency message sends a short message to mobile devices in defined cases. In this way, quick action can be taken if necessary when level sensors, pump monitoring or other systems report errors and, for example, water damage is imminent. The SMS relay TC Mobile I/O sends this short message to any mobile device. The alarm can, in turn, be acknowledged to the SMS relay via SMS or mobile radio, and defined countermeasures can be initiated. This can be, for example, the short-term starting of a standby pump or the blocking of the water supply. This enables a fast, convenient reaction in case of malfunctions and avoids expensive consequential damage. A simple, effective way of building communication with remote control. With one control system, significantly more functions can be implemented as needed. Of course, messages can be sent to mobile devices. In addition, almost infinite data can be collected, stored and evaluated. This data forms the basis for automated communication between devices and active remote control. Raspberry Pis are popular in the smart home because of their openness. DIN-Rail bus connectors for the Raspberry Pi housing are key to clever device design. The housings in REG format support quick and easy connection to the Raspberry Pi with little wiring effort. The more data points and devices are integrated, the more intensive the monitoring and the more active the smart control becomes, the more sensible it is to use an industrial controller. In the media field, PLC logic is a solution with a free editor and intuitive programming. Complex relay controls can be supplemented with analog values and replaced by the understandable programming logic. For example, with the help of a manufacturer-independent pump control, a solar thermal system can be easily coupled with the heat pump and the heat storage tank. PLC Next can also be integrated in the media field. With its unique open ecosystem, it offers a solution for modern automation that meets all the requirements of the IoT world. The combination of open control platform, modular engineering software, and systemic cloud integration enables easy adaptation of existing and future software services. The first applications in the field of building intelligence have already been implemented, and the PLC Next community is already home to implementation examples. The basis for successful, future-proof communications is the IP strategy, even in private buildings. In the COVID pandemic, it became very clear to all of us how valuable an available IT infrastructure is, because in addition to its building automation tasks, it also formed the basis for mobile learning and working. These requirements will continue to accompany us. In the future, there will be further requirements, for example, due to an increasingly older society, which will be enabled to live independently for a long time by IT support. Here, too, IT is the basis for the so-called assisted ambient living, digitally supported independent living. Switches connect a wide variety of devices to each other. The requirements for switches increased with the number of connected devices, the activity of the network, and the data volumes. Switches are the key here. They collect and distribute all data efficiently. Phoenix Contact offers a portfolio with unmanaged and managed switches, in high industrial quality and with many special functions. Power over Ethernet options with surveillance cameras, for example, can also be integrated into the network and supplied uniformly in private buildings. The switch is not visible to many users. As a central node, however, it ensures that control panels, for example, are communicatively included in the overall IT infrastructure. Only here the building data becomes visible and, depending on the programming, can be controlled directly. The WP4000 control panel is a possible solution from Phoenix Contact in high, robust industrial quality. 7 to 15 inches, small or large as required. As soon as data networks are connected to the internet, data security is an issue. In addition to data protection, remote control of the various devices must be secured to ensure that only authorized users have access. For a high security need, mGuard offers another alternative on an industrial level. The secure VPN remote access of Craftsman to a KNX or PV installation are application examples. In addition to secure communication, Phoenix Contact thus enables highly efficient implementation with investment security through industrial quality and long-term support and firmware updates.